When you decide to play hide and seek but your tactical stealth settings are stuck on low resolution.
Oh, okay.
The human thinks he is closing the door on you but forgets that you are the one who actually runs the house.
Hey, no, you're chicken. No, you're chicken. Oh my god. Oh my god. Stop it. Stop it.
They tell you it is bath day but you are still processing the betrayal while trying to maintain your dignity.
T. Don't go into the light. I can't even film it. Come on. Hey. That's my hair. Hey. Come on. Can you stop? Let go. Let it go.
You ask your ginger cat to help with the chores and he decides to become the plumber instead. This is what happens when you skip the user manual and try to fix the leak with pure orange cat energy.
ヨンさん、こっち開いてますよ。こっち開いてますよ。こっち開いてますよ。ヨンさん。
You're trying to act cool in front of your crush but your single brain cell decides to go on vacation mid-conversation. 1 second. Moment when the floor starts talking back and you have to decide if you are an apex predator or just a very confused loaf of bread.
Fees or minimums on checking and savings accounts? Is it really even a decision? That's banking reimagined. What's in your wallet?
Sasha? What are you doing?
Yeah, I used
Sasha,
to be carrying one, but then I really
what
agreed.
are you doing?
That's right there. Chicken, rice,
You're trying to act like a sophisticated outdoor traveler but the second you get home the immediate exhaustion of existing hits you like a truck. From scenic window views to mid-yawn living
어디까지 가냐? 몰라?
Winston. She's chewing on your tail, man. He said, what? I can't believe.
You are just a tiny kitten but your human is cooking and you have to lock in because dinner is a team effort. I entered this room with a plan and a purpose but one accidental glance at my own reflection and now I am questioning every life choice that led me to this. You're trying to act tough but then you realize the spider is actually moving toward you. From hunter to humbled in 3 seconds flat. Trying to act casual, but you realize you forgot to put on deodorant and have to do the secret sniff test mid-walk.
Maya, say good morning. Say good morning. Cody.
I don't understand.
You're trying to act tough, but the onion is winning the emotional battle.
Dawn and I have been involved in some very significant caving events, which
Mom says we have food at home, but you just want a piece of that sugar cane.
Yeah.
¿Qué? No me gruñas, no me gruñas.
Trying to look photogenic for the gram, but the tiny roommate you created refuses to respect your personal space or your nap schedule. Under those striking blue eyes is a soul just praying for 5 minutes. You accidentally open a fresh pack of gum in the middle of a middle school hallway.
Сенька, ты невеста. Сенька.
You're trying to film a cute couple video, but the cat decides it is the only main character that matters. Then you blink and suddenly you have a full feline congregation demanding to know what happened to the small one in your hoodie. Send help, I am no longer a person, I am just a heated mattress for a growing empire. You're trying to enjoy your meal, but your personal trainer says you haven't reached your daily step goal yet. Try to factory reset your cat but accidentally enter landscape mode instead. Human tells you to eat more fruit, but you were really hoping the apple was a tennis ball in disguise. The betrayal is real. Would you like me to generate some hashtags or a different version focused on the dog's outfit? The thirst for water is real, but the thirst for violence is mandatory.
No.
You realize the sky is a giant bath and your car is just a fancy bowl. My soul has officially left the chat. really want to touch the clouds, but your instincts remind you that clouds are made of bath water. You hear a Tupperware lid click from 3 blocks away. You realize the robot is doing a better job at the chores than you are, and now you have to re-evaluate your entire contribution to this household.
Дайте мне.
Eh, commence pas à me choper par le callback. Eh, tu vas te détendre, lâche-moi. Lâche-moi.
You've already rung the bell 3 times and the service is still slower than your hibernation schedule. Try to sleep in, but your alarm clock has pause and no snooze button. You're bride needs a train bearer, but some are more dedicated to the job than others. This little guy is You're trying to reach your goals, but your cat is actually getting closer than you are. Calculated risk. High reward. Watch me make this stack of pancakes. The cat crack.
Control, please. Can we? Oh my gosh. 下去，下去，下去，哎，你下去，下去，不许。
The mailman is 5 minutes late and you have to take matters into your own paws. This is a first-class bark for a third-class delivery speed. The mailbox might be stationary, but the attitude...
O pior é que ela nem me viu, ó. Chega em casa. Olha isso. Cheguei. Que bonito, hein? Que cena mais bonita.
You're trying to enjoy your favorite show, but someone keeps walking in front of the TV to ask what's for dinner. You realize the final boss isn't actually attacking, they're just an immovable object blocking your path to the kitchen. The manager wants to see you in his office, but you are technically on your lunch break.
Can't make this up, can you?